Hi everyone, this is Nobuko. So we start to the Nobuko kitchen. Today I would like to make to the candied potatoes, not sweet potato. Today is I make to the use to the frozen wedge potatoes. And today the menu is if you have to the air fryer we recommend because the potato is easy to the very crispy. But I don't have air fryer. So today I chosen to the pan. So I look like to this one to the few minutes to the bake to the potato on the pan. So let's make it. Shall we go? Okay, we look like to the bake and we come to the outside skin is more crispy. So little bit looks harder taste, it's okay already enough to the crispy. So when you bake time is pre-check to the each piece. Almost done. Okay, so after the this was inside to here. And so quick to the mix. Because when the potato the hot time is the mix is best timing also. Look like this. Okay, almost done. Okay. Alright, so finish. This is the candied potatoes. It looks so yummy. This one is good for to the snack and if you're hungry to the midnight and please try it. So enjoy to this. I hope to enjoy to this program. See you next time. Bye bye.